Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you a trick on PowerPoint, particularly how to use .png files and create a beautiful stunning picture. Here is a PowerPoint which I have already opened. So what I do is I'll just delete the title boxes and make it plain completely. So my PowerPoint slide is plain. I go to Google search, and remember there is a website called Pixabay. Remember this, Pixabay. So this is the, just type Pixabay on Google and go for search, and you get the first option here, pixabay.com. The specialty of pixabay.com is you can get royalty free images, that is photos, vector graphics. Let me tell you in the next video what are vector graphics, illustrations and videos. So all those who are making their own videos, online content, PowerPoint presentations, all the teachers, those who are using PowerPoint presentation for their teaching. So this is the best website to get many of the resources in the form of videos as well as photographs and illustrations. Now I'm going to show you about illustrations here. So I'll type here forest and go for illustration. So I'll get many such. You can see here the specialty of these pictures are, I'm going to click here one picture. For example, let me go for, well, it should look like a cartoon picture. So I'll go for this. Either you can download completely or you can just right click and copy image, or else if you click here it will give you options. See here, free download. But remember, for free download you have to first time log in with your Facebook account or by Google account. That's the first time, and then you can go for these options. Now look at this. This is PNG, and this is SVG. These are different forms of photographs. So what I was about to tell is about PNG. Let me explain you what is the specialty of PNG. Vector graphic is different. We'll take up in the next video. So I can download here and it gets downloaded. I can choose the different dimensions of this picture, same picture, but I'll just go for a shortcut way, copy image and go for a PowerPoint here, and I'll go for a PowerPoint here and then paste it. Control V, or directly you have to paste. So this is what, so I can just drag this, and now suppose if you want to bring another tree here, right? Generally what we do is we'll go for Google search and just type tree and you get a tree here. So directly I'll copy this tree, copy image and go to PowerPoint presentation and then paste it. So the effect is, you go to copy image, click it here and the photograph will come here. So I'll go to copy image and then go to and then paste it here. So it's not pasting here. So what I will do is I am going for snipping tool. So in the snipping tool, why it is not copying? It was not downloaded completely, I think. I'll just try again. Yeah, it's copied here. So I don't want this much big image, so I'll make it small. I just wanted, the moment I took that here, okay, so this is the background and I am bringing this here. So what happens here, the background of this is seen. Now I don't want this background, I want this to be a part of this image. So that's why we cannot go for Google search engine and directly pick up any of the photos. So I'll take it out. Now I'll go for again Pixabay. Pixabay is here, and go back and take one more tree. I'll go for illustration. Remember, you have to go for illustration for PNG files. So I can go for any of the trees like this. So I'll go for this tree now. I'll copy it. Hopefully this is PNG file. I'll click it and see. You go for a download section, you see here PNG. So you can copy this image and straight away go to the picture here and paste it, and you see there. Now you get a beautiful tree here now, and it mixes with the background. In fact, it doesn't have any background, transparent background. Now if you want to have any animal here in this, just go and type, maybe I want to go for a dog. Again go for illustrations, because illustrations will give you .png files. So search for image which is suitable for you. So hopefully this is the image. I'll just click and see whether it is PNG or not. Yes, you can look at the background here and make out. And size is bigger, you can bring it down. Make this slightly bigger here, and this is smaller. So you are creating a nice illustration here. You can put some bird also on this parrot. Hopefully this is .png. Yes, see the background here. Copy image, come here and paste here. So a parrot is ready here. Now you can keep this parrot wherever you want. I will keep this somewhere here. Right. So like this you can bring many of those small .png files, depends on the story you are making, and create a beautiful stunning image in the PowerPoint slide itself.